Welcome to Speak Peak English. Today, we are going to practice English with a conversation called At the Coffee Shop. We'll introduce some new vocabulary along the way. This is a great opportunity to improve your listening and speaking skills while experiencing a visit to a coffee shop. Let's dive in and enjoy the conversation. Listen carefully. At the coffee shop. It's a sunny afternoon. The coffee shop is bustling with activity. Daniel, a regular customer, walks in and approaches the counter where Chloe, the barista, greets him with a smile. A new customer, Lily, is sitting at a table nearby, reading a book.
Hi, Daniel. Welcome back. What can I get for you today?
Hi, Chloe. I think I'll try something new today. What do you recommend?
How about a cappuccino? It's got a nice balance of coffee and foam.
Sounds good. I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Great choice. Would you like a pastry with that?
What kind of pastries do you have?
We have croissants, muffins, and scones today.
I'll take a blueberry muffin.
Perfect. Your total is $6.50. Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Chloe prepares the cappuccino and muffin. While she's working, Lily approaches the counter.
Hi, excuse me. Can I ask what a latte is? Of course. A latte is made with espresso and steamed milk, with just a little foam on top.
Oh, that sounds nice. I'll have a vanilla latte, please.
Sure thing. Would you like it hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Got it. Would you like anything to eat with that?
No, just the latte for now. Thanks. Chloe prepares Lily's latte while chatting with Daniel.
Here's your cappuccino and muffin, Daniel.
Thanks, Chloe. Looks delicious.
Daniel takes his drink and sits down at a nearby table next to Lily.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. What did you order?
I usually drink tea, but this time I wanted to try something new, a vanilla latte.
I used to drink tea all the time too, but now I'm hooked on coffee.
I think I'm becoming a fan too. Do you come here often?
Yeah, this is my go-to place. The coffee is always great, and Chloe's super friendly.
That's nice. I just moved to the area, so I'm still finding new spots.
Welcome to the neighborhood. You'll love this place.
Thanks, I'll definitely come back. Do you have any other recommendations?
If you like coffee, you should try the espresso next time. It's strong but really good.
I might do that. Thanks for the tip. Meanwhile, Chloe finishes making Lily's latte and brings it over.
Here you go, one iced vanilla latte.
Thank you. It looks great.
You're welcome. Enjoy, and let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks. Daniel and Lily continue chatting as they enjoy their drinks. The coffee shop hums with the sound of people talking, coffee machines, and soft music in the background. After listening to the conversation, I'm sure you noticed how friendly and engaging the interactions were at the coffee shop. What did you think of the way the characters interacted? How about you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive into some new vocabulary words from the story to enhance our English skills. It's time for word exploration. 1. Barista. Definition: a person who prepares and serves coffee, especially in a café. Example from the story: Chloe the barista greets Daniel with a smile. Example from real life: the barista at my favorite cafe always remembers my order. 2. Cappuccino. Definition: a coffee drink made with espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. Example from the story: Chloe said to Daniel, How about a cappuccino? It's got a nice balance of coffee and foam. Example from real life. I usually start my mornings with a hot cappuccino to wake me up. 3. Receipt. Definition. A paper that shows the details of a purchase and the total cost. Example from the story. Your total is $6.50. Do you want a receipt? Chloe asked Daniel after completing his order. Example from real life. After buying groceries, the cashier handed me my receipt. 4. Pastry. Definition. A baked food item, such as a croissant or muffin, often eaten with coffee. Example from the story. Chloe said, "We have croissants, muffins, and scones today." Example from real life. I grabbed a chocolate pastry to go with my coffee this morning. Now we've reached the final round. Let's practice both listening and speaking skills together with a repeat after me session. Ready? Let's get started. At the coffee shop. It's a sunny afternoon. The coffee shop is bustling with activity. Daniel, a regular customer, walks in and approaches the counter where Chloe, the barista, greets him with a smile. A new customer, Lily, is sitting at a table nearby, reading a book.
Hi, Daniel. Welcome back. What can I get for you today?
Hi, Chloe. I think I'll try something new today. What do you recommend?
How about a cappuccino? It's got a nice balance of coffee and foam.
Sounds good. I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Great choice. Would you like a pastry with that?
What kind of pastries do you have?
We have croissants, muffins, and scones today.
I'll take a blueberry muffin.
Perfect. Your total is $6.50. Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Chloe prepares the cappuccino and muffin. While she's working, Lily approaches the counter.
Hi, excuse me. Can I ask what a latte is? Of course. A latte is made with espresso and steamed milk, with just a little foam on top. Oh, that sounds nice. I'll have a vanilla latte, please. Sure thing. Would you like it hot or iced? Iced, please. Got it. Would you like anything to eat with that? No, just the latte for now. Thanks.
Chloe prepares Lily's latte while chatting with Daniel.
Here's your cappuccino and muffin, Daniel.
Thanks, Chloe. Looks delicious.
Daniel takes his drink and sits down at a nearby table next to Lily.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. What did you order?
I usually drink tea, but this time I wanted to try something new, a vanilla latte.
I used to drink tea all the time too, but now I'm hooked on coffee.
I think I'm becoming a fan too. Do you come here often?
Yeah, this is my go-to place. The coffee is always great and Chloe's super friendly.
That's nice. I just moved to the area, so I'm still finding new spots.
Welcome to the neighborhood. You'll love this place.
Thanks, I'll definitely come back. Do you have any other recommendations?
If you like coffee, you should try the espresso next time. It's strong but really good.
I might do that. Thanks for the tip. Meanwhile, Chloe finishes making Lily's latte and brings it over. Here you go, one iced vanilla latte. Thank you. It looks great. You're welcome. Enjoy, and let me know if you need anything else. Will do. Thanks. Daniel and Lily continue chatting as they enjoy their drinks. The coffee shop hums with the sound of people talking, coffee machines, and soft music in the background. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning with the conversation at the coffee shop. If you liked this session, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and practicing your English. Until next time, take care.